This Kohler quick release is not easy to get apart after it's been in service for a couple of years. This is only 4 or 5 years old, and I got a leak in the hose, and I could not get it apart under the sink, so I pulled the faucet out and still had to do some serious yanking. I think it's because of this corrosion or whatever that is build up around the quick connect point. So just had to hold that football shaped thing against the static part and really twist and pull on this thing to get it off. But it was way harder than any of the videos that I saw suggested. Maybe it's easy when this thing's brand new, but after it's been in service a while, it's a pain. This is a new hose. Let's see if this snaps in. Snaps in easy and pulls out easy, but it's a totally different experience with one that's been in there a while. The lighting is terrible, but you can see the buildup maybe on the old one. The new one is fine. So that's my experience with the Kohler quick disconnect.